Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here and there. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and yeah, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we are having a collaboration with PISEN product. That's the name of their brand, and this collaboration, yeah, today's vlog, it's another collaboration with this PISEN product, as you can see right there. And this is very useful if we have cell phones, MacBook. You can use this one as well, because this one is a power tiny 30 watts 1000 mAh with dual cable power bank. This is very useful gadgets or apparatus that we could use in our daily lives when it comes to our phone and MacBook as well. So stay tuned and bear with me, because today it's another collaboration. Bear with me, ladies and gentlemen, and to all to my subscribers out there, and bear with me, stay tuned and be frosty, because we're gonna unbox this together and let's see what are the details and features with this brand PISEN. So yeah, there you go. We have here a PISEN product. As you can see, that's the box right there, and let's open this together. Without any further ado, let's keep the ball rolling. So yeah, let's open this one, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and while watching my video, I really appreciate you guys from your time and effort from supporting on my channel. I really appreciate to that, and to all to my teams and fans out there, and thank you so much for watching on my video all the time, and don't skip that. Well, so we just opened this one right here, and this is how it looks like. That's there you go, and let's put it out. So this is it. That's there, and they have a manual as well where you can read. It's PISEN, and it's power tiny 30 watts. It's 10,000 mAh with dual cable power. So there you go. It has the dual power. See, and at the back, see, it's dual. Pretty amazing. This is very multifunctional, as well as a power bank. You know, whenever we travel and we can't find where to charge our phone or any of our apparatus like MacBook, Android phones, iPhones, so this is very useful, and it makes our life easier and comfortable as well. So yeah, like I said, it has two dual power cable wire cable power bank, so you can charge two phones at the same time with this power bank. So you just plug it there, just plug here, and voila. So, and if you have other phone which is running out of battery, you can use the other one to have other half a way around like that. So stay tuned and bear with me, because we gonna what are the details of this product. So although I mentioned some, but see, PISEN, that's pretty amazing. There you go. So this is power tiny 30 watts 10,000 mAh with dual cable bank pretty amazing, and it has multiple fast charging protocols, and it's fast like 10 to 15 minutes. Then there you go, you can have your battery like 80%, I bet. And it's built-in dual cable wires, as you can see, one here and one there. And it has LED digital display, precise battery level indication. It's right here. See, as you can see, that's the digital LED light display. And one thing for sure, it's safe multiple protection. That's really important, and that's a must. And what else? So yeah, with this power bank, it's more miniaturized and equipped with type C and lighting output cables, and convenient and practical. And it supports fast charging protocols such as PD 3.0 and QC 3.0 with a power of up to 30 watts. That's pretty amazing. And I think this would be my second power bank, and equipped with a rich output ports, and also it's suitable for most digital devices on the market as well. And its built-in protection functions such as short circuit, over temperature, or over current, over discharge, or overcharge. So no matter what, even if it's overcharge of your, this is really safety. It has a built-in protection functions, and that is really one of the important when you charge your phones of your or any of your gadgets. It's really important that you have this built-in protection so that it won't damage to your apparatus or any of your gadgets, and that's one of the important. So yeah, what else? It has plus miniaturized. Oh yeah, I already mentioned that one. So you just look at here at the back, you can see, and this is pretty amazing. I super love it, and I can't wait to use this as well on my you know, I always travel, and sometimes, you know, I'm keep on surfing on my internet on my phone. You know, use your phone while you travel and you're running out of battery, and there you go, voila. And it's like stress free, and it's, you don't have to problem with your battery of your gadgets, of your MacBook, of your phone, because you do have this one. And don't you worry guys, I'm gonna put the link on my description so that if you are interested to purchase of any one of this product of this brand, and I must recommend that you must have this a pair of PISEN power bank, because it's really helps, and it's nothing to worry if like you're in the middle of of your travel, of, you know, you don't have time to charge. You can charge her, and then you can have your transaction, and you can text or call right off the bat, so you have to be worried that you are running out of battery of your gadgets, because this thing is a game changer, I would say. So yeah, I think I said it all almost. And yeah, this additionally, this is their new arrival from PISEN. It's power bank with integrated cable. This is really amazing. So they have different products as well, but I picked this one because they have also our phones as well. But I would like to thank, and I am immensely grateful to PISEN for choosing me as one of your brand ambassador. And I am hoping that working more with you, with your brand in the future. And thank you so much for choosing me as your one of your endorser of your brand ambassador. And don't you worry guys, I'm gonna put the link on my description. And if you are, I think it's this, I say it for the second time around, if you are interested to have this kind of product, you can check in my description and I'll put the link right there, and please do check it out. So yeah, I'm super love this one and I love it, and it's designed, yeah, this is the manual right here, and it has dimensions and it has weight. So yeah, this is pretty amazing. You know, this is the tiny C-type wire input. See, as you can see, this one, you just grab it here and it's very easy. See, and put here and put in your phone, do like that, and then voila, so it's charging now. See, easy. And as you can see, it has digital, amazing, it's digital display, you can see right there. So this is the switch button here, right there, and here's another cable. It has dual, so amazing, it's amazing. So this is the lighting wire I put here, so if you charge it, it would display as well. See, right there, it's popping up, and the power number, it's right there, and you just like plug like that, and type C output, and the control button is right here. It has a control button. So yeah, I think that's it for today's videos guys, and thank you so much for watching. And this has been Erica Lifestyle, and saying to you, enjoy the rest of your days, and thank you so much for watching. And yeah, once again, this has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you, bye for now, and see you in my next vlog.